Hello everybody, another devlog. In this devlog we're trying to fix the tax efficiency, and I found an easy way, I think, to implement the system. And this way will be to actually make a system in which on the moment where you actually update your total state budget, you're actually multiplying it by an inefficiency rate in this inefficiency rate, this is highly variable, right? And there's high variability each time. But in this high variability, there is a limit to how variable it can be, perhaps. I'm not sure exactly what the algorithm is going to be there. But there should be some level of randomness, because in the real world there is randomness. So in the past what I did is I did a select like this. Actually I did like a multiply. You take this thing for example, and maybe you can you shouldn't probably multiply it by itself, because this will be the percentage will be here, and so if it's by 100%, no, yeah, divide by 100. Here's we got the 100%. Maybe we can multiply. Hold on. So let me close the Visual Studio, which I accidentally opened. This needs some thinking. All right. Let's say, right, we have selected, we want 30% to use this time 30%, right? Well, we'll do this by 30, or we'll just multiply this number by 30, right? This is a problem. Perhaps first we can create this 1%, and then boom, over here, now we get the 100%, the 30%. And so now this number can be variable. Needs to be clamped also. Between 0 and 100. This will be a select float. And now we could make it an integer. But we probably don't want to make an integer, I think. Yeah. So let's stick into it, right? What are we gonna stick into it? Right, text. Yeah, so get there. Oh, we need actually an integer. We do random in range. Okay, so guys, we can really easily just over here get the number we prepared, right? This is the number. Now we can also get this thing, this algorithm. Now we can do the percentage that this one will give us. We get the percentage of the percentage. So this is variability actually. It's true variability. So we'll multiply the multiplier also. And I think we also need a clamp there. We need a clamp here. Oh. Yeah, we don't need a clamp. So we can go between 50 and 100, I think. Or, yeah, so let's do that one. 70 and 120. That is a lot of variability. We can do 80. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, we actually don't want that. Let's imagine that there's always going to be some kind of imperfection. But this is always going to be on the positive. And so now we need to connect this one, integrate it with our current WB info box. Which is, actually it's going to be invisible. We're going to save and load it, but it's not even going to be in here. Although I kind of feel it should be here. Oh god, this is gonna be a pain to replace this one with whatever numbers we have implemented on the other side right now. Going to also change this one. Oh wait, we do already have one. Oh god. This is scary. Oh, it's invalid, okay. Only 15%. There's no way. Yeah, that's it for now. In the next video, we're gonna try to save and load this tax efficiency number and implement it properly connected with our variables here. So these are not just gonna be placeholders of random data that I have created by default, hard-coded here, but these are gonna come from a runtime data table or something, saved load game instance. So yep, good luck myself. Alright, thanks for watching.